What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, and yes, I know I have a lot of explaining to do, but I'm gonna be honest. This is gonna be one out of 4 videos that I post. By the time you see this, it may be the first video, second video, third video, fourth video, whatever video in whatever order you see. My bad for taking long to post. You guys know I'm not like these other YouTubers, whatever. I just post anything. I'm trying to post good content. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I got real discouraged and I got like down because I'm like, I didn't touch no Hyper Royals. I didn't do an early prediction on them. I didn't do must cop, none of that, because the Hyper Royals, I didn't touch not one pair of Hyper Royals. So I did cop other sneakers based off the title you already see. I'm going to provide you guys with some content. I got 4 videos I'm about to drop. I'm literally filming right now, and then I'm going to drop second one, third one, fourth one. So my apologies for everyone that's wanted to see what I was up to. I know I haven't posted for like almost a week, like 5-6 days. I don't know the exact time, but my bad if anyone's even caring that I took forever to post. But I do got all these videos I'm about to drop. So I really got discouraged when I didn't get no Hyper Royals, not even one. But hopefully we still got some, so hopefully we'll get a pair at some point. But no further ado, let's get into this video. The name of this shoe I don't even know, so whatever. Y'all see it on the title, y'all know, and then I'll show y'all. But let's get right into it. Sorry I've been gone for a minute. Trust me, I still do want to film, because if I didn't want to film, I would just not post. But like I always say, or I used to always say, make sure you hit the subscribe button. People that know, they know the heater's on. I can't stop it. But anyways, hit the subscribe button. I always say as soon as we hit 1K subs, we'll do absolutely free giveaway. But let's get the 1K subs. Subscribe, like this video, comment, whatever you gotta say about the shoe, whatever you gotta ask me. I answer all my questions in the comments, so ask whatever questions you want. Yeah, so let's get right into it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description, so go follow me there. And let's get right into it. Okay, so sorry about the long intro. I haven't posted in a while, and I'm still upset I ain't touched no Hyper Royals. So let's get into this shoe right here. I got this. It's a size 11. Obviously, you guys know I don't wear size 11, but this is the Air Jordan 1 Low. They named it on the box a tropical twist, tropical twist, literally twist tropical. So it's like a whole bunch of tropical twists, but they called it like I don't know, like an aqua peach type of color. But here it is. It's a regular Jordan box, so it's nothing special. Here it is right here. Tropical twist, Jordan 1 Low. I don't know if they ever came out officially, but I know Finish Line. As you can see the bag up there, but that's not the bag I got it from. I got this online, I ordered it, and finally, by the time you guys are watching this, I already sold this, so whatever. Let's get this out of here, let's get this review. But I just want to show you guys, because some people out there might be like, where did this shoe even come from? They like it. It's like a suede, it's like a, I don't even know if it's like a suede, so it's not like your typical leather, it's literally suede. So that's a nice color, it's literally like an aqua black white. It's a nice cool colorway, not too loud, not too extra. Got like the peach color, but they call it the tropical twist. So if anyone wants these for personal, I'm showing you guys so you can see how it looks. The black logo, I don't know why they keep doing the colors when you can't even see it. You should have just put this a peach or put this, I don't know, white or something, but you can't see really the Air Jordan. Got the peach Air with the Jordan Aqua logo. That's how the bottom looks. So I just want to show you guys these real quick, just to see if anyone out there wants these or they never seen them. I'm providing you guys content that sometimes people don't want to do reviews on sneakers that's not hyped. But if you look on my channel, some sneakers that no one knows about got the most views. So I just want to show you guys this. This is how it looks. This is size 11. Jordan, Air Jordan 1 Low. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think about these. Finish Line, I got them for, it's $100 retail, I believe. Yeah, $100 retail. I didn't pay no shipping or tax because this is a Jordan 1 low, so there's no tax on these, and shipping was free, so 100 flat. And it's now being shipped off. I'm sending it to GOAT. So shout out to whoever bought this, but there you go. Anything else you guys want to see? What's the inside? Typical, regular, just black and white Jordan logo. The black is black, or is it? Can't even tell. Oh, it's the aqua blue. Okay, so on the camera I can see it's aqua, but looking at it, it looks blue. But yes, that's really it. Sorry you guys for the long intro, like I said before. Let me know what you think about these in the comments. If you like them, don't like them, it's all good in the neighborhood. So that's it. Like I said, this is video 1. If you're watching these videos in order, this is video 1. I'm gonna get these out as soon as possible. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, comment what you think, follow me on Instagram. Everything else will be linked down below in the description. Lil Roy TV is out, and I'll see y'all in the next vid, because once I finish this, I'm literally gonna film the next one, so you guys might see this Dreamville hoodie in every video, unless it gets too hot because the heater's on. Other than that, see you on the flip side. Lil Roy is out.